हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? होप ऑल वेल. सो वेलकम टू माय एचआर लर्निंग सीरीज. Today's topic is what is HR, their key role, and why human resources roles important. इस वीडियो को आप ध्यान से सुनना और एंड तक देखना so that you will get to know about basic HR. Now let's start with what is HR. HR क्या है? Human resource is the full form of HR, as we all know. HR is the one of the department within an organization that manages the entire employee life cycle from recruitment to retirement. अब इसे एकदम सिंपल शब्दों में कहा जाए, in a very very simple manner, HR is the bridge between management and employees. ओके, तो ये हो गया HR. HR क्या है? What is HR? Now, what are the key roles of an HR? The key roles of an HR is to manage the hiring, employee relations, people management, performance management, compensation and benefits, retention, training and development, managing handling strategies and policies, managing payroll, compliances, grievances, and employee data. So these are the key roles of human resource. Now, why are human resources are important for an organization? Since an organization cannot work without employees, HR ensures employees must know all the organization policies, understand their job roles, and can access all their benefits. एक HR दिन में क्या करता है, right? For the recruitment. In a typical working day, HR professionals involved in creating a job listing, reviewing CVs, shortlisting the candidates, meeting with the employees, discussions with them, their potential conflicts, and onboarding the new employees. HR professionals handle all employee related functions to keep employees happy and productive. They handle a wide variety of job responsibilities that are important for an organization success. Now, whether you are an employee or manager, understanding the benefits of HR in a company can help you connect them for the workplace issues, concerns, and any problems. So, human resource department of an organization focuses on improving the satisfaction and engagement level of employees. So basically, HR provides a productive and healthy work environment for all the employees. That will be beneficial for the employees as well as for the organization. As these professionals manage the whole employment life cycle, they are responsible for recruiting, hiring, training, administering the benefits, and resolving conflicts. So these are the some functions of HR that will show why human resource roles are important for an organization. So guys, that's it for today's topic. Hope I have clarified the HR role as I have tried to explain the HR role in a very simple and easy way. Still, if you have any query, you can comment. I will reply to your questions. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel so that you will not miss next my HR topic. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.